Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, and after that this is officially website, you can see if okay, and after that right hand side this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card. AORUS Radeon RX 9070 Late 16G. Then click on the product. Now you can see this is your graphic card. Click on it. Then click on support. Then select our operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is your driver and this is download icon. When you click to download, this is download, and when you click to download icon, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take some time and depend about your internet, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it is completed downloaded. Then click to three dot for the installations and click on download. So you can see it is start downloading and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. And then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now we can see this is installing, so it will take some time, and it is after installed then close it.